Next, I'll demonstrate the chain stitch. It also has numbers below, showing how many strands to use. Let's start with 3 strands. Using 3 strands of color number 6. Bring needle up at the top of the line. Take it down in the same spot. Don't pull tight. Come up a short distance ahead. Pull upward. This forms a chain link. Let me show once more. Take it down in place. Don't pull tight. Come up ahead. Take it down. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Each stitch should link together, creating a continuous chain effect. Take it down. Let's look at the result. Now let's demonstrate chain stitch with 6 strands. Using 6 strands of color number 1. Again, start at the top of the line. Take it down in place. Don't pull tight. Come up in the middle. Complete the pattern following these steps. Keep stitch spacing even. This creates uniform lines. With dimension. Final stitch down. Let's look at the finished result. As you can see, with different strand counts, the lines change from thin to thick, creating different effects.